How to fix freezing in Valorant. Now what you want to do first is go to the Valorant file location. Do this by typing in right client, right click it and open file location. Right click this and click on open file location again. Click right here and then click CTRL and C at the same time. Doing this will make you copy the file path. Next, you can close this and type in graphics settings. Right here. Click browse. Delete this, paste this right here. And select right client services. Right here you can also go to the options and select high performance or power saving. I'm going to select high performance, save. And the second option is to adjust the performance of Windows. What you want to do here is type in performance of Windows. Click this and this should pop up and select adjust for best performance. And the third solution is to simply update the graphics card driver. You can do this by going onto the web and searching up your graphics card and seeing if there's any new updates that you need to be running right now. And that's how to fix freezing in Valorant.